Yeah, the question is, if you are running an ad, you see, when you set up an ad on Facebook Ads Manager, the post is not visible on your Facebook page. Technically, if you set up the ads in your Facebook Ads Manager, it is actually a dark post or a sponsored post. Of course, people call it sponsored post or unpublished post. So basically, it is only being published as an advertisement, and only those who are being targeted can see the ad. Now, what if you want to post this ad to your Facebook page? Is it possible? The answer is yes. Because yeah, it's actually quite useful if this is really something that you want to do. I would encourage you to do that, because sometimes when you're running ads, you get all these comments and likes and all that, right? So if you want to publish it to your Facebook page, some people like it because it looks good, because you have got quite a number of engagement going on over there. So now, how do you do that? Very simple, right? So you go to your Facebook Ads Manager, go and on these 3 strokes, okay? So go all the way down. Yeah, I have it here. If you don't have it here, then you go all the way down and look for page poses and whatnot. You know, it should be somewhere there here. So go for page poses. I usually open up in a new tab just to show you how it works. Now, when I open the page poses, okay, then I'll be able to see all the poses, including published posts, scheduled posts, and ad poses. All right, I'm going in. Give it a minute. Okay, so yeah, then you see this, we have published poses, scheduled poses, and ad poses. Now, all you need to do is to go into the ad poses, okay, and then you select the post that, you know, that has been published as an advertisement. You should be able to see it over there. Give it a minute. Okay, now here you go. So let's say if this is a test, I'm just putting it up as a test. So you just select the advertisement. Okay, you just select the advertisement that you want to do. You will come up as a preview, but since this is a very slow one, all you need to do is to just click publish, and you will go to your Facebook page, carrying all the likes and comments with that. So if that's what you want,